Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get CapCut in App Store. Now, after the TikTok and CapCut ban in the US, you will have to do some steps in order to get it unlocked. So the first thing that you should do is to simply, if you are opening CapCut on your phone, you just have to clear it from your background menu. Then what you should do right now is to simply go and open Play Store or App Store, whatever that you're using. Then you should search here for any VPN that you like to use. You can choose ExpressVPN, Secure VPN, Panda VPN, but here in my case, I will choose Planet VPN. I have it right here already installed on my phone. So now what you should do is to simply go and open any VPN that you have and change the country to anywhere else rather than the United States. And after you choose any other location, you should click on connect right here. And after that, you can simply go and search for CapCut on the Play Store. Or if you have it already installed into your phone, you just have to open it and it will be opened with no problems, as you can see right here. And when you go back to the Play Store and try to find the CapCut application, it will be displayed right here. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.